We have two major departments, signals and education, copy. At our community, we have traders from east to west, beginners and experienced. Parts of the traders are trading by themselves and not upon our signals. Our main goal at NYS Trading Community is to teach you to trade by yourself. We're sending the trade ideas with overall idea and not specific entries and stop loss. From the other hand, if we send signal, it means we're sending all the info, likely entry price, stop loss, and managing online. We're following the trade from A to Z. We're sending much more trade ideas than signals. For all our signal, we're uploading chart that explains what the reason that we send signal. We're teaching by daily meetings at our online room, trading videos and trading analysis, and our courses.